Monastiraki Square is one of the places where the history of Athens becomes most immediately visible as a continuous overlap of eras. Looking at it from the outside means observing a city that does not separate the past from the present, but makes them coexist in the same urban space, through commerce, movement, and daily encounter. From a historical point of view, the Monastiraki area has always been a fundamental hub. In ancient times, it was located at the edges of the agora, in a strategic position between the political center and transit zones. This hinge role remains constant over time. The exterior of the square reflects a primary function: to connect people, goods, and ideas. The name Monastiraki derives from a small Byzantine monastery, a testimony to the religious transformation of the city after the end of the ancient world. The presence of buildings from different eras, classical, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman, makes the exterior of the square a true urban document. There is no single center, but a plurality of references that tell the story of a layered city. During the Ottoman period, Monastiraki became an important commercial center. The market, which still characterizes the area today, originated in this phase. The exterior of the square tells of a city oriented towards exchange and economic survival, where urban life is organized around the circulation of goods rather than the monumental representation of power. With the birth of the modern Greek state, Monastiraki did not lose its role. Unlike other areas redesigned according to European models, this square maintains a popular and dynamic character. The exterior continues to be marked by commerce, transit, and informality, becoming one of the most authentically urban places in Athens. In the 20th century, Monastiraki transformed into a meeting point between citizens and visitors. The presence of modern infrastructures, such as the metro, was inserted into an ancient fabric without erasing it. The exterior clearly shows this coexistence. Ruins, historic buildings, and contemporary flows share the same space. Unlike institutional squares like Syntagma, Monastiraki does not represent the power of the state. It rather represents the economic and social life of the city. Here history is not celebrated, but used, traversed, lived. The exterior of the square is always in motion, a sign of a city that does not crystallize in the past. Today, observing Monastiraki Square from the outside means understanding how Athens has maintained a vital relationship with its own history. The square tells the story of a city that has transformed many times without ever losing the primary function of urban space: to be a place of meeting, exchange, and continuity between different eras.